So today we are having our paramedic students learn the advanced cardiac life support. They are going through each of their algorithms and learning different cardiac scenarios as they further on in their paramedic class. So the goal is, one, to provide up-to-date paramedic learning abilities for these students with the Roanoke Fire-EMS agency, and working with a university that offers a bachelor's program in emergency services. So that way they are allowed to get the most up-to-date material through a university and be able to translate that to Roanoke Fire-EMS and emergency services that we provide at the city.
The Roanoke City class that we are currently in partnership with, we have them set up as a satellite, and they function under all of our same guidelines that our other programs that we run do.
We really stress team dynamics and teamwork as on the fire side. So we make sure that every scenario is team-based and not just individually based. And we stress upon all of our students to make sure that they are understanding team roles and how to oversee team roles.
So I'm excited to be in the City Paramedic class because it's a good opportunity to learn from City instructors and be taught by your peers, people that you work with every day.
With this partnership, Roanoke Fire-EMS and Radford University are able to provide better education and also allow them to provide better care and service to the citizens of Roanoke City.